It all begins with a signal, an invisible impulse traveling across distance, time, and space. From high above the Earth, a journey takes shape, guided by precision, driven by intelligence, built on movement, systems, and purpose. From orbit to ground, from highways to infrastructure, from global flow to one exact destination, a place where innovation, logistics, and engineering operate in perfect harmony, where every process is measured, every detail is verified, and every step leads to one result: the creation of the new BMW 5 Series. It all begins here, the main gates of the iFactory, the starting point of a vehicle's birth. Security and digital control. Every logistics detail is tracked in real time. Tons of raw steel arrive at the terminal. This is the foundation of future power and safety. The metal moves into a sterile storage zone where a perfect climate is maintained. Here, the steel undergoes digital registration. Each coil is a future body element. Precision starts with the very first millimeter, preparation for the transformation into form. Laser control ensures perfect metal thickness. Error is impossible. Full automation of logistics. Autonomous platforms link warehouses and workshops into a single organism. The metal enters the line. The process of transforming raw material into perfect form begins. The first division. The steel coil is transformed into measured blanks for future body panels. Perfect geometry of the blanks. Now the metal is ready to take its final shape. The logistics cycle is complete. The metal enters the high-pressure zone where its transformation will begin. The press line accepts its first blank. Here, pure energy is transformed into precise geometry.
Ensuring peak efficiency.
A strike of 9,000 tons. The steel yields to the will of engineers, taking on recognizable features. Every movement is calibrated to the millimeter. Robots ensure a seamless flow of parts. The roof, the element that unites the structure. A perfect plane transforms into an aerodynamic profile. Hidden power. Internal reinforcements ensure the legendary safety of every BMW. Flawless edges. Robotic trimming guarantees the perfect fit of parts in the future. The hood is the face of the car. Here, its character and flawless aerodynamics are born. Every line of the trunk lid is calculated for perfect airflow distribution. The floor pan is the foundation of safety, a powerful steel platform capable of withstanding any load. Automated sorting. Every part is ready for the next stage, the body shop. Digital control. We check the geometry with micron precision, eliminating any deviations. Zero waste production. Every gram of unused steel is returned to the recycling cycle. All elements are ready. The press shop hands over the baton. The body construction begins. The component warehouse is perfect order. Each part awaits its moment in the digital queue. Intelligent logistics. Autonomous systems deliver the right parts just in time to the assembly point. Vertical integration. Thousands of tons of metal move between iFactory levels every hour. Attention to detail. Even the smallest bracket passes through the automated control system. Overhead highways clear the floor space, ensuring an uninterrupted supply of components. Digital twin for every part. The system knows exactly where each element is in real time. Precision moves silently through every route, guiding materials toward intelligent production. Final check before assembly. All components are ready to be integrated into a single structure. The geometric center of the plant. Here, the foundation for the future BMW's rigidity and handling is laid. The first step of assembly. The metal takes its place to become part of a legend. The birth of the structure. Thousands of weld points join the base elements into a single high-strength monolith. Every joint is a guarantee of torsional rigidity. The foundation of handling is being laid now. Beyond welding, high-strength adhesive bonds. This makes the BMW body quiet and incredibly strong. Artificial intelligence inspects every point. Quality control knows no compromises. Reinforcing high-load zones. We are preparing the platform for the installation of powerful drivetrains. A view from the other side. Automation provides access to every centimeter of the structure. Continuous seams are the key to durability. Protection against corrosion and external factors starts here. The platform is ready. It will become the support for all future vehicle systems. A logistics pause. Each underbody is precisely synchronized with future body panels. Transition to the main assembly. The platform takes center stage in the geometry cell. Forming the safety cage. The body pillars are the primary elements of passenger protection. The bulkhead. A barrier between the engine's energy and the silence of the cabin. The foundation is ready. It's time to give this skeleton the shape of a true BMW. The moment of docking. Side panels join the base, forming a protective safety cocoon. Perfect symmetry. Digital sensors monitor the position of each panel with a precision of 1/10 of a millimeter. The body achieves completeness. The roof closes the safety cage, giving it maximum rigidity. A symphony of technology. 6 robots work in perfect rhythm, transforming separate parts into a monolithic body. Laser brazing, the pinnacle of precision. We create invisible and high-strength seams for perfect aesthetics. Strength in every point. The rear pillars are a critical element of protection under any load. Laser geometry audit. We check hundreds of parameters to guarantee the perfect fit of all future parts. Forming the rear section. Every part contributes to overall rigidity and cabin quietness. The skeleton is ready for the next step. It heads to the fittings line where it will gain its first movable elements. Attachment points. Door hinges must withstand years of use while maintaining perfect smoothness. The zone of maximum loads. We reinforce the front end to ensure benchmark steering precision. Human control. Our master's experience is the final quality filter before painting.
Consistent reflection across the seam.
A proper name. The unique VEN code is the car's passport, which will stay with it forever. Geometry is complete. Ahead is the fittings line where the body will gain its hood, trunk, and its very first doors. The lines find unity. The hood takes its place, completing the front section of the body. Engineering magic. Automation hangs the doors with sub-millimeter precision, ensuring a perfect close. Final touches to the silhouette. The trunk lid integrates into the overall aerodynamic shape. The dictatorship of precision. We measure every gap to ensure the body lines are flawlessly even. Tactile control. Even in a world of robots, the master's hand remains the ultimate measure of quality. Every connection is under control. We guarantee the reliability of every bolt in the vehicle's structure. Functionality check. Doors must work perfectly, even before paint and electronics are added. Polishing to perfection. The metal surface is prepared for the first layers of protection. The form is complete. Before us is the finished steel image of the future BMW, ready for color transformation. Sterile cleanliness. We remove even the smallest traces of oil and dust so the primer bonds perfectly. High-speed drying. Preparation for the first layer of protection allows not a single drop of moisture. The path to color. The steel skeleton leaves the body shop, heading for a world of sterile chambers and high temperatures. Entering the zone of absolute purity. The process of transforming steel into mirrored carbon black begins. Immersion in protection. Rodip ensures full cavity coverage for corrosion protection. Heat curing. The primer creates a durable base for color application. Sealing and silence. The PVC layer protects against stone chips and dampens road noise. Ultra-sensitive cleaning. Natural ostrich feathers prepare the surface for a mirror-like finish. Depth of color. Carbon black microparticles build a deep dimensional finish. Final gloss. The clear coat protects the paint and creates a mirror finish. Magic of reflection. After drying, carbon black reveals its full depth under inspection lights. Longevity from within. Hot wax fills every hidden seam, guaranteeing protection for decades. Handcrafted. The final gloss is applied by a master whose experience brings every detail to perfection. The path to completion. The painted body leaves the world of purity to meet its heart and interior. Awaiting assembly. Here, the production sequence is formed, where each body finds its owner. Digital clearance. Paint quality is confirmed. The vehicle is ready for the final assembly stage. Preserving the ideal. Protective films safeguard the mirror finish during the most complex stage assembly. Merging as one. The body arrives for final assembly, where thousands of components will turn it into a living mechanism. Precision wiring begins as robotics bring intelligence to the chassis. Acoustic insulation is precisely placed, creating comfort from the inside. The cockpit arrives as one, installed with flawless robotic precision. The headliner rises into place, completing the cabin with precise integration. The panoramic roof descends, sealing luxury with exact robotic precision. The center console is installed, defining luxury through precision and detail. The front seat descends, bringing comfort and craftsmanship into place. The rear bench settles in, securing comfort with exact alignment. A seamless carpet settles in, shaping comfort with tailored precision. Weather seals are applied, protecting silence with smooth robotic precision. The interior stands complete, purified, and ready for final union. The steering wheel locks in, connecting control, precision, and performance. The finished interior advances, inspected and ready for the marriage stage. The chassis glides forward, carrying power, balance, and engineered precision. The powertrain settles in, uniting force and precision with perfect alignment. The rear axle locks in, balancing strength, control, and mechanical precision. Body meets chassis in perfect union, completing the heart of assembly. Robotic arms secure the union, locking body and chassis with synchronized force. The suspension is secured, confirming strength and precision with a final green signal. The wheel hub turns into focus, revealing braking power sculpted with precision. The exhaust rises into place, aligning performance with polished precision. The windshield settles into place with precision. The front fascia locks into place, giving the 5 Series its unmistakable face. The headlight settles perfectly, adding a sharp, crystalline gaze to the front end. The doors are fitted with precision, aligning perfectly to complete the body. The tail light clicks in and glows red, bringing the rear signature to life. Four wheels mount in unison, completing the stance with synchronized precision. The nutrunner locks all 5 bolts at once, sealing the wheel with exact force. The hood is installed with precision, defining the front with perfect alignment. Fluids flow in with precision, preparing the powertrain for its first breath. Brake pressure stabilizes with precision, confirming the system's flawless readiness. The 5 Series comes to life, rolling forward in its first triumphant moment. The iconic glow comes alive, giving the front its first luminous signature. A high-speed data link brings the 5 Series digital systems fully to life. sensors calibrate as the wipers sweep, preparing the 5 Series for every condition. The soft closed door seals itself shut, confirming precision in every detail. The final badges click into place, defining the car's identity with precision. The welcome lights sweep across the cabin, turning technology into a moment of luxury. The center cap locks in place, staying upright as the wheel begins to turn. The head-up display projects vital data ahead, keeping every journey clear and focused. A final inspection confirms the powertrain is flawless and ready to perform. The Denau test unleashes raw power, proving performance under controlled precision. The brakes clamp with precision, bringing speed under complete and confident control. A torrent of water tests every seal, proving the 5 Series is ready for the elements. Laser-guided calibration fine-tunes every sensor, sharpening the 5 Series digital awareness. Under the final inspection lights, every surface proves its perfection. A gloved hand confirms the flawless finish, where perfection is felt as much as seen. Beneath the surface, every bolt and panel is verified for absolute confidence.
Suspension bolts confirmed.
The adaptive LED headlights ignite with precision, projecting BMW's signature clarity into the dark. A protective film is applied with care, preserving perfection for the journey ahead. The interior is protected with care, preserving its luxury in a final gesture of readiness. The final scan confirms it all, 100% quality passed, and the journey can begin. Cleared for the road, the 5 Series departs the quality line in quiet, confident triumph. The hangar doors open to daylight as the 5 Series approaches its first horizon. From precision to open road, the 5 Series begins its journey with quiet confidence.